Managing building access shouldn't be complicated. Outdated systems still rely on keys, cards, fobs, expensive panels, and complicated networks. They're costly to install, difficult to maintain, and frustrating to manage. VIZpin is a cloud-based access control and visitor management platform that lets you use your smartphone as your key. No keys, no cards, no fobs, just your phone. VIZpin's Entegrity product line lets you manage access across the entire property with one system, from apartment doors to gates, garages, amenities, and common areas. Everything works together through a single, simple platform. Here's what makes VIZpin different. Your phone is not only your key, it's also the network connection to the cloud. Because doors unlock using secure Bluetooth communication, VIZpin solutions can be installed without a local network connection or internet service provider. And since access happens directly between the phone and the controller, the system continues to work even when traditional networks are down. Traditional access control systems depend on expensive panels, network infrastructure, and extensive wiring. VIZpin eliminates much of that complexity, reducing installation costs, ongoing maintenance, and potential security risks. VIZpin works with the Entegrity family of hardware products designed for fast installation, minimal maintenance, and long battery life. Our management platform lets property managers add users, grant access, revoke credentials, and monitor activity anytime from anywhere. Every door, gate, and access point on the property can be managed from a single dashboard. Simple to install, easy to manage, cost-effective by design. VIZpin gives your entire property one modern access control system. That's access control the VIZpin way.